In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your profile picture on WhatsApp from some contacts. This is really useful if you want to keep your profile photo visible to friends and family, but a bit more private from certain people in your contact list. I'll walk you through the exact settings you need to change, step by step, and explain what each option means so you can choose what works best for you. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen, where you see all your conversations. From here, you need to go into the settings. On most phones, you can do this by tapping the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner, then choosing Settings from the drop-down. If you're on a different layout, just look for the Settings option in the main menu. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps all of your controls for things like your last seen, status, and of course, your profile photo. Go ahead and tap on Privacy. Inside the Privacy menu, find and tap on Profile Photo. Here, you'll see several options that control who can view your picture. These usually include Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. If you want to hide your profile picture only from specific people, choose the option that says My Contacts Except. When you tap this, WhatsApp will show you your contact list. Go through the list and select the contacts you don't want to see your profile photo. Take your time here and double-check you've selected the right people. When you're done selecting, confirm your choice, usually by tapping a check mark or a Done button. From now on, everyone in your contacts will be able to see your profile picture, except for the people you just excluded. Those contacts will either see a blank avatar or a default icon, depending on your device, instead of your real profile photo. If at any point you change your mind, you can come back to the same profile photo setting and update the list. Or switch to another option, like Everyone or Nobody, depending on how private you want to be. That's all you need to do to hide your profile picture from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to adjust your privacy.